Alright guys, so I received this package from Christopher Marie Hair Care. Earlier this week, I was super excited to get this package. It's actually a set. She sent me a sample set. And thank you so much, Christopher Marie, for sending these products in to me. I am so excited to try these products out. Also, you can find her on Instagram, and she also has a website where you can purchase these products. So all the products, she has like a little card in here. All the products are 100% handcrafted. They're moisture rich for all hair types. So if any fellows are watching this video, it's good for your beard health, like beard care, all that. It's good too. Free of sulfates, parabens, and vegan friendly. So it sounds very nice, healthy, natural products from reading the description. I'm just going to show you the products. Like I said, I have 2 of each. So I've got the Stay Rich Soak and Shine Heat Protectant. Then I've got the Stay Rich Mango Butter. And then I've got the Stay Rich Mango Butter Curl Custard. And also the package also came with a nice comb. This comb is like really nice. It's a nice wooden, sturdy, strong comb. I've also got this Stay Rich Biotin Infused Hair Oil. So, alright, so now that I've showed you guys the products I have in the sample set, I am going to actually blow out my hair, and I'm going to do a twist out on blown out hair. So, using these products. So that's what we're about to do now. So, to start off, I'm just starting off from freshly washed hair. I did a video last week, please check that out after this one, of my updated wash day routine, because I'm doing the rice water rinse challenge now, guys. So I'm just going to start off with freshly washed hair. I've already applied my leave-in conditioner. That's the only thing I applied. I didn't apply any gel or anything. I just applied my leave-in. So I'm going to actually now apply the Stay Rich Soak and Shine Heat Protectant to each section. Right. Oh, it smells good. It's definitely a nice serum. The instructions say use a dime size. I'm using about, I'm using a nice amount. I'm using about over a quarter size. That might be, I don't know if that's gonna be too much. I'm heavy-handed with my products, as you guys probably know or don't know, but you will find out soon enough. The more you watch my videos, I am very heavy-handed with my products. So now we're about to fire up this blow dryer. I'm going to blow dry section by section. Camera cut off on me while I was trying to film the last section of blow drying my hair, but now that I'm finished, I am now going to start twisting my hair. I'm going to first use the Mango Butter Curl Custard, and then I'm going to put the mango butter over top of that and twist my hair. So that's what I'm about to do now. So let this sit, and we're gonna see what the results look like in the morning. All right, guys. Christopher Marie hair care products. I just want to give you guys a quick rundown on each product and let you know how I felt about each one. First of all, I'm going to start off with the Stay Rich Silk and Shine Heat Protectant. This product was really good. Most of the time though, I more so like heat protectant sprays. I don't really like to use a lot of heat protectant serums just because I am horrible at using the right amount of serums. A lot of times I tend to use too much. As you've seen in this video, I use about a quarter size, so I'm just not very good at determining how much I'll need of like the serum. So usually I'll use a little bit more than necessary and it'll weigh my hair down. So it did weigh my hair down just a little bit, but it looks really good, so I'm not really stressing about it. But yeah, I did kind of weigh my hair down because I used a little bit too much of this product, but it's really good. Just if you use it, a little bit goes a long way. So the instruction says a dime size, so that's probably all you need. Okay, and also with that being said, the mango butter is also another product that a little bit goes a long way. And it's I think it would be a very good product. It's very like it's like a heavy, thick kind of butter. So it's good for things like twist outs, braid outs, bantu knots. For me personally, it'll be good for doing those type of styles. I would not probably use this mango butter for a wash and go just because I just don't feel like it would really do my wash and go justice. I feel like it would weigh my hair down if I try to use it for a wash and go. But it works awesome for, like I said, these kind of styles like this. Also, I imagine it would be like perfection when it comes down to putting it on a beard, like your beard hair. So if I had a beard, I probably would be using it all day. But it's really good. I can imagine it'd be really good for beard hair. So yeah, I did like the mango butter. It had a nice sweet smell to it. But yeah, a little bit goes a long way with this product as well. And also this oil, the Biotin Infused Hair Oil, I really like this. I've been using this like constantly since, actually, by the way guys, this is day 2 hair of the twist out that you've seen, just seen. So this is just day 2 hair. But the Biotin Infused Hair Oil, I'm already like halfway through the sample and it's really good. Like if you can tell the shine that I'm getting right now, that shine is coming from this oil and this butter. I know it is. So last but not least, the curl custard, the mango butter curl custard is bomb.com. By far my favorite product out of the whole set. It really defined my curls. I love the slip. It was lightweight. It was made my hair nice and manageable. It just all around, it was really great product. Out of the whole set, I am probably gonna have to definitely purchase this curl custard because it's just that good. I really was impressed with the curl custard. The other two, I do like. They think they were really good products, and I wouldn't say I would never purchase them. It's just like I wouldn't I wouldn't use it very often. I'll just put it that way. Those products I wouldn't use very often, so it wouldn't really be a purpose of really just buying them all the time. Something like this is curl custard I use on an almost regular basis because I'm always using curl custards or curl creams and stuff like that, different stylers to define my curls. So this would definitely be a product I will definitely purchase. So by far my favorite. So yeah, that completes this review, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know down in the comments section if you've tried or heard of these products. Also, don't forget to check out Christopher Marie Hair Care. Check out their website and Instagram page. I also want to give a big thanks once again to Christopher Marie Hair Care for sending these products in to me. I really was super impressed. I love the results that I got from using these products. So yeah, that completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.